wearing this cap not to protect myself from the summer sun, but from rain. We've just come back from what I was sure was going to be an epic fail at a vide-grenier in the French countryside. A vide-grenier, I have explained to you before, it's kind of a collective garage sale. One of the swap meets when I was growing up, before the professionals got involved and everybody just brought their junk and was trying to get rid of it. And vide-grenier actually means attic emptier. I know you've heard me say it before in some of the other videos. Anyway, it wasn't a fail at all, maybe because it was raining. Most people were packing up by the time we got there, and it was only 10 o'clock in the morning, but they'd been there being rained on since 7, so people were ready to get rid of stuff, and I found all of these things that I wanted. I had these things on my wish list. Okay, let's get to it. First, we'll go to the vide-grenier, the French brocante, if you like, although brocante is something else. I need to do a specific video on that. But for now, we're on our way to the brocante, and then I'll share our haul. White hollyhocks, grapevines.
Et après, les grands.
Je cherchais une solution pour la
Bah dis donc, les enfants, c'est pas tropical, hein.
Shiny goat, sundial. I really need one of those. Exactly what I wanted.
€1.
€1. Ooh, t'as trouvé quelque chose? You found something. Wow, gorgeous.
Prix,
That's a steal.
Je sais pas s'il va rentrer.
j'ai envie de toute façon de faire un inventaire un peu de toutes les gravures, mais de les avoir dispo, tu vois, tu les mets puis tu les changes, tu vois, c'est pas un truc... mais c'est assez reposant, je trouve.
This is something that I think would be great for carrying plants. You know what I mean?
En voiture, ensuite...
I'm sitting on the floor in the back seat. Barbecue set. A triplet of petanque balls.
Oh mais regarde,
C'est lourd. Puis c'est plus des bouts pour dames.
Ouais.
Ou pour enfants, adolescents.
Moi je suis un peu une dame et un adolescent. Vous les vendez à combien?
C'est 10 € la triplette.
D'accord.
Oh yeah, everybody's packing up. Excusez-moi. Oh, pardon.
Alors celui-là il est très original parce qu'il a la poignée pour vider.
Ok.
Celui-là il est à 12.
Ok.
Allez, à 30 € vous avez les 4.
Oh, champignons. These are typical bowls from Brittany. Not at all this area. Vous voulez combien pour le moule à Madeleine?
1 €.
1 €? D'accord. Ok, merci. We needed a mirror. Oh wow, this is a fun one. That'd be gorgeous for my mom, you know?
alors avec les plantes.
Ah oui, j'en ai quand même un peu que ça se mouille. Hein. Encore fait sortir les chaises parce qu'il faut mouiller la paille une fois par an au moins.
Ah,
La
Sinon,
paille,
elle se dessèche.
l'osier, tout ce qui est les paniers.
These are all cold hardy succulents given the area that we are. And she's done some really nice little arrangements. What were you saying?
Pour faire la barbe, le beard.
Oh, yeah, that one? Oh, wow. Okay, do you need one? Champagne.
Le seau,
Oui.
c'est 3 euros.
3 euros? D'accord, on va prendre ça. On va vous le prendre, merci. Ah, ben j'aime bien. What a haul!
I love the price. It's like $3 for nice engraving.
Qu'est-ce que tu veux alors?
Un pain au chocolat.
2 pains au chocolat, s'il vous plaît.
Avec ceci.
Oh, ce sera tout. Bruno just pointed out that 2 pains au chocolat it costs more than the silver champagne bucket. So when it comes to looking for vintage pieces, Bruno usually just goes along for the ride, but this time he was the first one to find something. He has in the past been lucky in that way too. He loves old prints, and he found this lithograph, which is still wet. I'm going to have to wipe it off and give you a better look, but this lithograph of a tandem buggy with the horses one in front of the other. That was an incredible deal, a real steal at €3. It'll go in our dining room, which doubles as his office. His taste is much more classic than mine, so I'm glad that he spotted this. At the same place, I've been wanting one of these little baskets, and I haven't been able to find one. And the same place that had the print that Bruno got have this. €1. So you'll be seeing me use this for some of the gathering that I'll be doing. A little foraging basket. What more could I ask for? It was on my list. First place we stopped. Also at the same place, I saw a bunch of fondue forks. I've been meaning to get some more because, you know, when they sell you a little fondue, it's got 6 forks, 6 fondue forks, but I mean, when you do a fondue, you often do it for a lot of people, so €1 for the fondue forks. They need some cleaning up, but and then we moved on. So next thing I saw, which again was on my list, was a little bottle basket, not for bottles, but for plants. The idea is to carry plants home in them because I had to bring the plants because we're, you know, gone for the summer. So a lot of the little topiaries and things, you'll recognize these from the last topiary video that I did, these little euonymus topiaries. And I came across this one, which has olives on it, which is really cute because we are in olive country after all. Oh, that was €2. Then a little Madeleine pan. Everything is wet because we just got back. So a little silicone Madeleine pan. I have one at home, but I could use one here in the country. And I'll have to make some Madeleines while we're here. We'll do that together. Something else that was on my list, a silver champagne bucket, €3. These are not normal prices. Even at other vide-grenier, it's not like this because €1, if you're not familiar with it, €1 is about $1.20, something like that right now. So it's, you know, pretty much on par. And the last thing, which I'm really thrilled with, and I'm going to take it back to California to my mom, I think she'll have just the place for it, is this. Get a load of this. This gilded wooden tray. And while I was walking with it, this lovely old woman came up to me and she said, "Madame, you shouldn't carry anything too heavy on that." And I said, no, I'm going to take it to my mother and I think she will set it down and then, style it on a buffet that she has at home. The pattern, I think, is just beautiful. The gilding is beautiful. The patina is beautiful. And when I asked how much it was, the guy said, I don't know, how much do you want to give me? And I hesitated and I said, €8, which is maybe $10. He said, okay. I'm still stunned. So, there we have it, the haul. Hope you enjoyed it. I have a couple of others coming up. And so we'll see you then and for a few other videos in between.